Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. I have a new kit, a new club kit available for February, and this is a large kit. This is a large kit. So go ahead and get started. After I show the club kit, I will show the Friday freebie, and that will be available tomorrow, February 16th, over in my Facebook group. I will put links in the description box below for everything. Okay, so I am doing teals, creams, and purples in this kit, and I love this kit. I started designing this kit last year, probably in the summer, and I am just now releasing it. So I've had a ball with this kit. So these are junk journal pages, and it's just, I just love, they're so vibrant and they're just beautiful. These are printed on Epson presentation paper matte. So you can only, this is the lightweight one that comes 100 in a box, and you can only print on one side. If you get the other box that has 50 in a box, you can print on both sides, but I just plan on doing other things on the backs of these. So pretty. So those pages that I just showed you are in the main kit. They're the main pages. And then I did some background pages. The coffee dyeing in the background is from my own collection that I have done. They are nice and muted, not as vibrant as the first set that I showed you. Okay, oh, these are my collage pages, and these you can just fussy cut out, use them for journal covers, use them however you want to use them, and some matching butterflies. I'm just going to turn this so you can see this top one. So many layers, so many layers. These were super fun. And this set, this one I enlarged, so you could use this as a journal page. You can also use this just to rip up and use in your collages or your page clusters. This one is enlarged. Some more butterflies along the bottom. This one is enlarged. It is so vibrant. I love it. I love it. These are postcards. And again, this is multiple layers to create these cards. These are pages that you can cut apart, obviously, and then rip the sections, like use them however you want, but they would be great for collage or page clusters. These are vintage and antique fabrics and wallpaper. Now, this page has some photographs that I've just added some distressing to. Here are some tags that I created. Here are some blank tags. And then these are cut aparts. Okay, so those are the club kit pages. Now, these are my freebie, Facebook freebie pages for February. These I have already shared. This one, these are just journal cards. I printed 2 because I know I'm going to use them. This was already shared in my Facebook group. And this one. And then this is going to be tomorrow's Facebook freebie, Friday freebie. So these are the same things. Cut those apart, use them however you would like. And then this will be available tomorrow. I'm going to turn this way. So these pages will make a cute little tag book, a tag junk journal. So these are all sized to layer together nicely. And you can print this twice or 3 times, however fat you want to make your little journal. I am going to do this in a video. These are some paint swatches that match the colors of the entire kit, club kits and freebies. Oh, I love these. These are stacks of mail, and then I've layered other elements on top. You can cut these out. You can add these to your tag book because they are sized to fit together, as well as these paint chips. They're all sized to fit together. Here are some more with some blank tickets. Did I share this one already? I think I printed this twice. I did. I printed it twice. This one will be in tomorrow's Friday freebie. This one. And this one. So those are all of the pages. This is a large kit. I am designing more, and those will be coming soon, but these are already available. So these are in my subscription club. My subscription club is $3 a month. It's over on in my coffee shop, and you get access to this kit here over on Ko-fi, and as well as any of my other club kits that I've released since last August, I believe. August is when I started. So you can get all of the kits over there when you become a member. The Friday freebies, these are available in my Facebook group, and I have several kits over there that are available for free. So thank you so much for watching today, and I have some things coming up in the works here. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.